Nighthawk Customs Warhawk Airsoft pistol from Red Wolf Airsoft. That pistol came with pre-applied hop-up. Without touching the hop-up, I was able to perfectly nail 0.30 grams of BBs without any adjustment at all. And either the hop-up is damn good or they have already applied some out of the box. But if you're using anything different than 0.30 grams of BBs, I bet you're gonna need to adjust the hop-up. Can you do that on the Warhawk Airsoft pistol? Yes, you can. And now I'm gonna show you how. First, you want to remove the magazine. We don't need it. Now we need to separate the slide from the frame. In order to do that, we need to remove the slide release, which is a pin going all the way through the other side, this one here. It's not so simple just to take it out. You see there is this small notch right here at the slide release. There is another one inside beneath the slide. So in order to take out the pin, we need also to align that notch with that small hole right here on the slide. Not the first one, but the second. So cycle back until we align those one like this. Once those are aligned, press the pin on the right side of the slide, so you can see it's starting to pops out a little bit, and we just need to take it out completely like this. This is the small notch that I was talking about. From here, cycle all the way back and then slide forward, and you can completely remove the slide just like this. By the way, that pistol internally looks fantastic. Really solid metal, really nice construction. Great job to Red Wolf Airsoft. Hold the slide upside down. Here in the middle of the frame there is this small wheel right here on the right side. This is your hop-up adjustment wheel. There is also an arrow for you to show you which direction to spin it in order to add hop-up. Usually you want to spin it backwards to the slide in order to add hop-up, or forward in order to remove. However, this pistol currently shoots perfectly fine with my 0.3 grams of BB, so I don't need to touch that thing at all. But if you need it, this is what you need to do. Keep in mind, this wheel currently has a hard stop, so don't force it too much in either direction. Once done, we can assemble back the pistol. How we do that? We have slide guides on the back and the middle of the frame. We need to align them with the slide cuts right here. I'm outside, so I'm still holding the slide upside down. I don't want to drop and lose anything. Slide it a little bit, and you will see that there is small pin blocking the way here on the slide. Just press it a little bit down and the slide should go easily on top of it. Better don't try to force it by the slide itself, just press it a little bit down and it should be really easy to go back. Once the slide is on place, again align the small cut on the slide with the big hole right here for the slide release. In order to insert the slide, you also have one small pin right here, this one, so you will need also to push that pin back a little bit in order to get the slide release. So here is the slide release, the long one go in the first hole. Here is the tricky part, push that pin a little bit. Once those two are done, just press it and it's on place. Check if the pistol cycles normally. It should have no sounds, no pressure anywhere. That means everything is on place. From here, insert the magazine, make a few shots, and if you need some more adjustments, just repeat the steps. That pistol shoots really great, guys. Press the subscribe button for more content on airsoft guns, tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and have a great day.